How to deploy project on Netlify 2025. In this video, we're going to be talking about Netlify and how you're going to be able to go ahead and deploy a project in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this in the quickest way possible, all you're going to need to do is just come over to your Netlify dashboard and here go to sites. Now it's going to say add your site to Netlify. You can either import an existing project from GitHub, or what you can do is you can create your own template or add a Git manually. I'm going to go ahead and browse a template for myself. So let's say I want to go with this JavaScript platform starter. Now, once we're over here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to select a repository. So to create a repository, just go over to your GitHub. It's going to redirect you. Now, just make sure to authorize. And once you've authorized, make sure to go ahead and add in your password. Now, once that is done, your repository has been selected, and now you can simply give your site a name. Okay, so you give it a name, you just go ahead and make sure to check its availability. Once the repository settings are done, just go ahead, click on deploy, and this is basically going to go ahead and deploy your website. And that is how you're going to be deploying a project on Netlify in the easiest and most simplest way. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.